Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if it seems kind of like dark, a little darker than usual. I'm not filming early like I usually do. This morning it was really gloomy and pouring rain outside, so I was not really up to it to film. But then once I worked out afterwards, I was like, you know what? I want to film. Like, I have to film. So I'm filming this and hopefully you can see me and it's not that bad. You can already tell that this video is going to be on my Ipsy bag, my April Ipsy bag. So let's just get right into it. So this is April's Ipsy bag. I am absolutely adoring this bag. I am obsessed with butterflies. If you see in my room, like my nighttime, my morning routine, you can notice around my room that I have butterflies everywhere. So this is just so me. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Then it has like rose gold on the corners and also the handle and zipper. The bag is like a mauve purple. Zipping open the bag. First, there's a card. It says social butterfly. And then the first thing I'm going to grab is this right here. Now, I do have to use my phone for this because on here it doesn't really have the description, or they don't have a card that has a description. On the website they have the info on each item that we receive. The first item that I received in my Ipsy bag, it's from Laboratories Fellig, Paris. It says that this mask is infused with collagen and elastin, which seriously hydrates, smooths, and softens your skin. The creamy texture melts right into your skin, leaving it plumped up, luminous, and ready for makeup application. Going for a dewy look, this does it all. Mask is also a champ for brightening, firming, toning, and minimizing fine lines. I am ready for all that. It sounds amazing. I am always ready for some dewy skin. To get your glowiest skin ever, first you have to wash your face and then pat dry, then massage a thick layer onto your face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. I love receiving skincare, but then I also get nervous because how about my skin reacts the wrong way? Oh my god, it smells so good. I don't want to squirt. Oh yeah, I was about to squirt this out. Oh, okay. Okay, so I already washed my face. Just gonna put a thick layer. My god, it smells so good. This actually feels like lotion. Gotta leave this on for, I'll say, I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. In the beginning, it feels like lotion, but then the texture of it, you can tell it's not lotion at all. I need to wash my hands. Hopefully this makes my skin soft and glowy, because that's what it's claiming. I'll be right back once the 15 minutes or 20 minutes is up. I smell my skin, like I literally smell this. It's not a heavy scent, but to me it just smells so good. It's kind of like a perfume or cologne, but I like it. My face feels smooth and soft, but hydrated, not so much. I feel a little dry right here in my T-zone, but I don't see any dewiness, and that's what I was looking for. I was looking, said if you're going for dewy glow, I don't see a dewy glow, so that's kind of disappointing. Next in this beautiful bag is this little tiny item right here, the Oasis Hydrating Treatment. This moisturizing treatment is like a giant glass of water for your skin with mega hydration that lasts for 24 hours. Okay. It's infused with water-based ingredients like seagrass extract, which helps your skin retain moisture, and water lily extract, which helps condition and soften. In a rush, the gel formula absorbs into your skin super fast, so you can start your makeup application ASAP. Since I already used this, now I'm gonna go into this because I need some. I'm feeling a little bit dry. I like medicine, but I don't know what kind of medicine. It smells like hand sanitizer. That's what. My forehead feels so dry right now. Oh my goodness. It still feels tacky, and I'm not so amazed with the smell. I mean, it doesn't smell like nasty, but it's not like, you know, something that I will reach for in a smell. But you cannot smell it on my face. My face doesn't feel so dried after using this, so that's good. I'll have to keep on using it, and a little bit does go a long way, so I like that. Next in the bag is this right here. This is from Vermont Beauty. This is how the brush looks. It's like an angle brush. Ooh, the bristles feel nice. This is the Vermont Beauty 202 angled blender. This is a synthetic brush, which means that it is vegan and cruelty free. 3 ways to use this blending brush. 1, on your eyes. Swirl around your fave shadow, tap it to remove excess, and sweep across your lids in a windshield wiper motion. 2, on your nose. Dip the brush in bronzer or contour powder and apply down the sides of your nose to add definition. 3, on your lips. Use the clean brush around the edges of your lips to diffuse your lipstick and add fullness. Okay. I'm gonna use this 2 ways, for my eyes and nose. Because in the bag I received this little item right here. This is from Paula Dorf. It's the bronzer in Bora Bora. It says get a beachy glow with bronzer. A few sweeps of this highly pigmented bronzer will give you a vacay ready glow. It's lightweight, goes on smooth, and builds easily depending on how beachy you're feeling. Worried that bronzer will make you look orange? Don't be. Bora Bora has soft brown undertones that will keep things balanced and believable. It looks like it has a little sheen to it, like a golden sheen. So let's just do this. I'm gonna take this brush right here because I want this all over. So if you have a deeper skin tone than me, this would not be good for you because I really had to build this up to get some type of pigment. The thing is, I like it because it looks natural. I do see a little bit of a sheen, nothing noticeable. You have to really go close to even see it, but it's not noticeable. I'm actually going to use this for my crease and contour. So let's do this contour first with this. So I stopped to put a little bit of concealer. Totally forgot to do that. Now taking the same brush and bronzer, and I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it in my crease, not being precise. Just actually throwing it everywhere. Just gonna give it some color. So the last item in the bag is from NYX. It's a soft matte lip cream in Stockholm. So I don't have this soft matte lip from NYX. I'm so excited because now it's a new one. I feel like it's dark and I'm so sorry. I already have the soft matte lip creams, so I know they perform so great. I don't have this color. I'm so excited I don't, because now I could just add this to my collection. I love the color. This smells good. It's lightweight. My overall thoughts of April's Ipsy bag. Let's start off with the bag itself. This is freaking gorgeous. I just love it. A++++. It has butterflies. I'm obsessed. Thank you. The products itself, the 3 items I'm excited for receiving in my Ipsy bag. First, the NYX soft matte lip creams. I'm just obsessed. Next is the brush that I received from Vermont Beauty. It's so soft on the skin. It blends the product great and also is vegan and cruelty free. And then this bronzer, because it looks so natural on the skin. This item is my least favorite one, but I don't think it's horrible. With this item, I'm happy that I received this because I always wanted to try H2O plus beauty products. So for me, receiving a sample is like, yes, finally I can try this without buying something. I could try it. If I like it, then I could purchase it. So yeah guys, if you don't receive Ipsy and you want to sign up, I will leave the link in my description. If you already received Ipsy, let me know what items you received, which ones you like, which ones you didn't like. And yeah, with that being said guys, I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed like always. And if you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more of me. And I'll see you next time guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye. It's the 3 items I'm excited for receiving. It's a cat over there. Oh my god, hello baby.